Yo, what's up everybody? Morgan here, back in the snake room, and I just wanted to show you guys something real quick. This is the Neo I got from Mark Heger at TXChondros, and I just wanted to show you the new paint job on this sucker. Is that thing not insane? Just better and better with each shed. And yeah, this Neo, guys, is just insane. Just gorgeous. Honestly, I've been waiting for her, hopefully, to have shed to be able to show her off. Also, right above the Mark Heger Neo, I didn't even realize it, but my Biak shed out as well. This is a Biak girl I've had for a couple of years now from Wilbanks, and she had a nice, big, beautiful shed as well. She was my first green tree python. She's not quite tamed out, but definitely more or less tamed out, honestly, since I've had her. She was really pretty insane. She used to strike at the tub constantly. Now I can just pull her out on the perch and she's totally fine, won't strike at anything other than a rat. Or a mouse, actually.